everybody? It's been a good minute since I posted a video. Just wanted to do a quick vid on a part I got in the mail from a friend of a friend who is currently in Okinawa, Japan. I had the opportunity to get this piece at a very good deal. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here and then leave it down in the description as well, so you guys can click that link, give him a follow. He has a pretty cool store over there, and he sold me a piece off of it. So here's the box. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up and open it for you guys right now. So I hope the lighting is good for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do some unboxing from this position. Hope it's, you guys get a good view of it. But got my little pocket knife here, and let's go ahead and open this up. Any guesses what it could be? So basically, just like my Toyota Soar rain guards that I got for my car, those weren't available in the US, pretty much only Europe, Japan, and Australia. Same thing with this, it really wasn't available here for the SEs through Lexus. It's just something that was only overseas for the Toyota Soar, but I like weird things like that. Not so much for the JDM points, but it's a functional piece. So I have my Toyota Soar rain guards, I have this piece, and Randy also hooked me up with the bubble side markers, and it just gives my car a little bit of extra flair that other Soars or SEs might not have down here in Florida or the United States at all. But with that said, this is just a really good deal. I couldn't pass it up. I want to give a huge shout out, and thank you very much if you're watching this for hooking me up with this, and maybe anything else I need in the future, I'll hit you up. But until then, I'm definitely going to enjoy this piece a lot. So what this is an authentic Toyota Soar OEM sunroof visor. It's it's got mounting brackets that it clamps into the roof. It's got a nice rubber gasket here with drain sections for water to drain out in the corners, and it's got this little air vent that you can flip up like that. With the sunroof open, it can direct airflow directly into the cabin onto my little, my nice little bald head. That's gonna feel really good. And those junk like aftermarket plastic ones you see on eBay for like 40 bucks. To me, those are just fucking corny. They don't do anything, and they don't have brackets, they don't have a nice little rubber gasket. Those you just stick on with 3M tape and call it a day. I wanted something that was OEM, that was meant for the car, and has function to it. So let me grab the camera now and give you guys a closer look. So here's that little air vent. So basically it's closed right now. It's just going to shoot the air straight across it. And what these also do is sunroof visors will reduce wind noise when you have the sunroof open. You won't get that pulsating effect with the wind that most cars do. And this will drastically help with that. So when I have the sunroof open, I have this installed, all I have to do is just reach up, grab this little flap, and pull it back like that, and it's going to shoot air, or it's going to catch the air going across it down, and straight into the car. So that's pretty cool. I love it. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's actual Toyota branding right there, so you know it's OEM, as well as 4 mounting brackets and the rubber gasket. So the rubber gaskets, you notice these little cutouts here. That's to just allow water to drain out, whether it's raining or you're just washing the car or whatever. I don't know exactly what year his car was, so this thing could be, I mean, I know it is at least 20 plus years old. It could be more depending on how old this car is. But anyways, I mean, it's kind of dark right now. I really can't exactly, I mean, I could install it, but it wouldn't do you guys any good. Even though it is a quick installation. One more thing also did come in the mail today, and I'm pretty stoked on, is HKB Sports Boss Kit. Basically, this is a steering wheel adapter hub adapter that allows me to run a aftermarket steering wheel, such as an Nardi, which I plan on getting in the future, which hence why I bought this. And it has buttons on the hub itself that allows me to retain cruise control. That's a really cool feature. If you look back at one of my videos, I think it's my SC300 brake job. You see me installing one on Randy Soar. Plug and play, super easy to do. Granted, his car is a 91 and mine is a 99, so I have an airbag, he doesn't. I might have to find like a little resistor or something to put in the airbag plug so I don't get the light. But I'll worry about that later on once I get a Nardi wheel. But yeah, I'm fucking stoked. I'm not exactly going to open it right now because it'd be pointless, so I'm just going to keep it up on my bookshelf. And when the day comes, you know, I'll throw it on. Alright, so I guess this will be unboxing number 3 right here. This is something pretty fucking cool. I wanted this for a very long time. I want to give a huge shout out to Randy for helping me achieve this. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up now. I have here the new Armstech Automotive decals. I am stoked. These came out fucking amazing. I got a whole batch of them made up here. 25. And if you're watching this, you're either subscribed and you want to keep up with what I'm doing, or you probably saw this post on Instagram. So these right here. Alright. So basically, these right here, I had these printed up because I kind of want to start, you know, getting into merch. You know, these will be $10 a piece, shipped to your front door, and it's gonna really help out the channel, and you know, help me out with the SC or the IS300, so I can continue bringing you guys content so you guys can watch. So with that being said, I mean, these are high quality vinyls. They're actually printed. They're not layered vinyl, so I mean, it'll last a hell of a long time. Obviously they're going to be weatherproof, you know, UV resistant, and you'll definitely get your money's worth out of this. So these will be going up for sale pretty soon. If you're interested, drop a comment below or DM me on my Instagram, Armstech Automotive, on IG, and I will let you know how you can get one of these, or 2 or 3, if you want to buy them all. Let me know. So yeah, I'm really stoked. I'm going to be putting one of these on the SC pretty soon. So there's that. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to hit me up to pick one of these bad boys up. So thanks for watching. Peace.